Hello everyone, welcome to the Tech Guy Hub. And today I'll be talking about how to follow a particular store on AliExpress. So if you found a particular store and you're loving their products and you want to follow the particular store so you can get more of their products, then this video is for you. So when you open your AliExpress, so let's say this is the product that I'm in love with. So this is the product and I want to know the particular store. I want to know the particular store. So just select the product so that you can visit the product page. So select the product, then scroll down. Okay, so scroll. You realize in here, after the question and answer tab, there will be a match product section. After that, you realize there's a tab where the store details can be found. Okay, so you realize in here, TM accessory stores, as you can see in here. Okay, so you just have to tap on it, tap on anywhere, the name, whatever. Just tap on the name, and this will open, the page of that particular store. So this will open the page of that particular store. So you just have to tap on the follow, and that's it. You successfully followed the particular store. So that's how easy and simple it is to follow a particular store on AliExpress. So if you find this video useful and helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, there's the bell icon, give a sweet comment and give a thumbs up. See you in the next video.